I used the restroom at the BLM Elapa Reservoir. It's a pit toilet, so there's a lot of flies in the afternoon. Not near as nice as the state restroom. This morning we went to Gill, Nevada. Very small town with very old buildings. There's the old theater. I heard about this old drugstore. Everything in it is from the 60s and 70s. Some people had called the guy to have him open it up for them. I got lucky and got there at the same time, so I was able to get inside. The old soda fountain.
Southwest Utah.
How you guys doing?
Great.
I was just driving through and I just happened to meet him because you guys called, so I got to get in.
Well, good. We were hoping maybe there was other people that could like link up and do it at the same
Hell
time
yeah.
or something.
Some old photography equipment.
We saw that. Is it too bad?
I wonder if Diddy shopped here.
Yeah, we really feel the heat down there. We don't usually go up.
Oh, is that what you do?
Yeah. Makes a bowl.
I'll be darned. Yeah. Wow, I wonder what it was.
What?
Oh, that's quite the machine.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. That's too cool. Thank you so much.
You bet.
Ooh, interesting.
Dippity doo. Remember that?
These tubes are so fun. Oh wow. Hey Jim, did you see this?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yo-yo wax. I guess they still have yo-yos.
and they're labeled by like the letter too, alphabetical.
Model airplanes.
Wow, that's amazing.
Toys made of metal, not plastic.
Yes. Our boxes.
This is the back storeroom. I guess they kept extra ice cream in there. Extra candy. Red hot. Looks like something I'd be interested in. Oh my gosh, I learned to type on one of these. I had to type 30 words per minute. I barely made it out of that class. Old metal staplers, metal tape dispensers. I remember our butcher had a paper dispenser like this. He used to rip it off and wrap up our meat with it. I guess they sold a lot of cigars out of this store.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
I remember Rit fabric dyes.
Thanks again for.
Young people probably don't know where the saying "dial them up" came from. 2-cent stamp. Okay, I'm a Trump supporter, but I never knew Johnson & Johnson made Trump supporters. Thanks for taking a glimpse into the past with me. You know we appreciate you. Thanks for watching.